Welcome to our journey into the future of artificial intelligence. In this video, we will explore the incredible advancements in AI and how they are shaping our world. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we live, work, and interact. It is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, enhancing efficiency. One of the key benefits of AI is its ability to enhance efficiency. AI-powered algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions and streamline processes. In manufacturing, robots equipped with AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and complex endeavors. Improving healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by improving diagnostics and personalized medicine. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical data, helping doctors detect diseases at early stages and suggest tailored treatment plans. With AI, medical professionals can access more accurate and faster diagnoses, leading to improved patient outcomes and potentially saving lives. Enabling smarter cities. AI is at the heart of building smarter city. It powers intelligent transportation systems, optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion. Smart energy grids use AI to manage power consumption efficiently, leading to a more sustainable future. By harnessing the power of AI, cities can become more interconnected, environmentally, and livable for their residents. Ethical considerations. As we embrace the possibilities of AI, we must also address the ethical considerations. It's essential to ensure that AI systems are transparent, unbiased, and protect user privacy. Society needs to have ongoing conversations and establish guidelines to ensure AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of all. Embracing collaboration. The future of AI lies in collaboration between humans and machines. AI can assist us in complex tasks, augment our capabilities, and unlock new levels of creativity and innovation. By embracing AI, we can unleash the full potential of human intelligence and create a future where technology empowers us to achieve remarkable things. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of AI. Together, we can shape a world where artificial intelligence and human potential converge for a brighter future.